We're in Ambassadors. Ang ganda yan yung pic ko sa Pinterest eh. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Mama! Happy birthday to you! Faster, faster! Happy birthday to you! Woo, woo! Happy birthday to you! Woo, woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Woo, woo! Let's go! Happy birthday, Mama!
Sweet 60.
Ganda.
Youngest.
I'm 8 years old and you guys are adults, which means I am the youngest.
Yes, youngest.
Isang agwat ang layo.
One each.
Ang sa peligan.
Agwat ang layo. Hi.
I'm even almost tired than Gusta.
Today's the first sunny day. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Bakit may pa ganito? Sa sala.
Dalawa amin.
Wow, White Sand Beach! Ang ganda! No, I was in Station 0. Go, Papa, go! Wow!
Okay, me three.
Ay, ang ganda! Yeah, yeah, that's okay.
Ayaw na. Papunta na dito.
Ate's ruined reaction sa Mango Mama.
Ba't yung Mango Mama parang may iba-ibang kulay?
malakas.
What's your birthday wish?
Ay, magkaroon ako ng mga manugang. Magkaapo na ako. Wala pa akong manugang.
Tama.
Manugang na
Hindi,
ligan.
for you. Ano for you?
Ay, kalakasan.
Tama.
Good
Exercise.
Walang sakit.
Long
magaling
live.
malusog.
Long live.
Oo. Para makasama ko pa itong dalawa kong alalay.
Eh, dito tayo social tayo eh. Tapos,
Yun, kami sana si Resty. Makasama ko pa si Papa mo.
ayun. Where's Papa?
Kahit away bati kami.
Ayun.
Maraming aso pusa.
Ako naman, ang wish ko, not that you're asking. Charot! Hindi. Good health nga kay Mama. Exercise.
Tumba.
Zumba. Sana walang
Zumba.
chismis sa Zumba. Maganda ako. Ba't ganyan?
Swimming!
Oh, lagpasan niyo ko, bilis. Ayun, Papa! Huli ka na! Uy, not me ah. I don't bully you, right?
Welcome to the club. This is me, Senor.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. That's me! Oh, yung mga nagbabayad. Paligo!
May tao sa likod eh. Wait lang.
Hindi ko namin yung na pilpil namin. Walang nakapigil.
Oh, dalawa pa. Arriba. Hello, say hi. Hola. Hola, chicos y chicas. Ay, wow. Hola, chicos.
Loves me. Nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays, some things
Ay, ano yan? This is the number. May magpaliempo ka nga. Ay, maliempo. Wow, red is getting.
Pick my choice na lang.
Yes.
Oh, there's lang ka.
Yeah. Wala dyan. Saging.
Wala.
Ay, masarap yun, no? Saging na matamis.
Diba walang saging?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! 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 Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you for celebrating a special day with us here at Crimson Resorts.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Expect no.
Something has to make you run. You know why I didn't come. I feel something.
He painted it! He made it!
Overnight lang yan.
Ang ganda! Ito yan!
This is you.
Oh, thank you!
Everything is gonna be alright. Say don't worry about anything. We'll pretty dance. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Say don't worry about anything. 'Cause every little thing is gonna. So darling, save the last things for me.
Happy Father's Day!
Ay, no.
Happy Father's Day! Guys, punta ka para may ano ka! Smile, Red! Aray ko naman titay ulit. Nainipit ako. Hopefully, you're gonna get relaxed. See you in 1 hour. Done with massage. Fresh na.
Those makulit boys.
Those makulit boys, Gus and Red.
Those.
Those 10 pesos.
Ano pa?
Today, we are on Tok Tok and this is
Tagalog.
Boracay.
Wow!
Nos vamos a los dos
Next time
mestizos.
na dito. Sa Boracay na tayo.
Boracay
Dito
na
na tayo sa Tok Tok. So, isa na lang day before we go to back to Manila. La,
Galing ah!
la. Oy. So, we will meet you back at the Manila City after this day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Salud! Tagay. Thank you.
Tigilan mo ko!
Okay, Meme. We're going. Say bye. Oy, Sa likod daw ako ah. Ikaw mo naman. Sa likod ako ah. Hi. One. Row 2. Row 3. Ang mga ropo.
Boys at the back.
Boys at the back, say hey! Say hey, yo! Hey, Gus, you don't wanna be with me na? Mama, did you have fun? Yeah. On your birthday trip? So much. Umitim ka ba? Hindi ka umitim. Ay, oo. Umitim ka ba?
Why is it just made out of
Wow! The luggage looks like out of country.
Happy birthday, Sissy!
Birthday ma.
Happy birthday sa aking mahal na kapatid at ang kanyang anak.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. Hi, Mama. Happy 60th.
Happy birthday! I love you!
Ng Pinas para lang sa birthday mo kahit busy season. I hope you're enjoying Boracay. Ayun siya.
With the background
Sige
music.
lang, go. Right. Sige.
Pinakamamahal na asawa. It's 60th birthday today. And also to my baby Ching. Yan siya. Happy birthday.
Parang kang announcer.
Siyempre, sana maging malakas pa at humaba pa ang buhay. Marami pang pagsasama ang pamilya. That's all.
Many more birthdays to come, more cakes to blow, more troubles, more adventures to the near future and travel abroad. Hope, wishing you good health and all the best in life. Happy birthday! I love you!
Kulang ay ang kanyang mahabang buhay pa, dugtungan pa, at ang kanyang kalusugan, at ang kanyang maging kayamanan na yumaman pa siya at makapag-travel sa abroad. At diba?
Tapos, ito na alam.
Stay pretty. Love you. Happy birthday to you.
Oy, binibigyan na si Papa na!
Bye.